Okay, so we start with FIMM today, and what are we going to cover in FI is pretty straightforward. FIMM. In finance, we cover GL. In GL, we cover master data, journal entries, um, closing, and in journal entries, we cover quite a lot of T codes. We also cover recurring entries, accrual entries, and reports, balances. And if you talk about FI, this is front end. And we talk about configuration, we will cover with company codes, chart of accounts, ledgers, fiscal year variant, posting period variant, currencies, document splitting, what else? Document splitting, currencies. Okay. And then we start with AP AR. AP AR will mean master data and configuration of master data. Then journal entries, advances, clearing, reconciliation, reconciliation plus config of reconciliation, foreign currency revaluation, assets. Okay. So this is pretty much, and then closing entries. Then in MM, we cover material master, material groups, evaluation classes. This is from config side, evaluation classes, um, plant, purchasing groups, purchase orgs, locations, storage, and in config, we cover info records, source list, source listing, RFQ, quotation, PR, PO, GRN, config of all this, and then material entries, MMFI integration. Okay, before all this. So let's start in accounting.
जी सर.
In financial accounting, we'll start with master records. In master records, we have GL accounts, individual processing. Individual processing means single GL accounts will be made in chart of accounts. Okay. For example, we take a company code. We have made this account and we'll be making these accounts. We'll be making chart of accounts like this. And of
ये सर
course,
हम मेन अकाउंट उसका
and we'll see what are these controls that we'll be looking at. Okay, so we have uh, quite a lot to cover, and we have accounts for balance sheets, for profit and loss statements. Okay, for secondary costs, we'll be covering all of this. And then when we are done with master data, we'll go with document entry, for example. Two thousand 26 dash 30 30201 debit credit 201 star. Copy this. And we have quite a lot of fields over here. We'll discuss these fields also. Let's see if you have a cost center for this. Okay, we have this cost center, central cost center CC001. We'll enter it. And we will have profit centers. We will have plant AA42. This is purchasing document. We don't have a purchasing document yet. Profit center, it will pick profit center based on the cost center. Hit enter.
मोबाइल डाटा नहीं
Okay, we do this transaction again. Financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. Two zero one 30201 10101 debit credit 201.
ये सर अभी आप जनरल एंट्रीज का पास कर रहे हैं
Yes. And we will have a cost center as well. We'll mention a cost center because this is expense account. And we will have a plant AA42 purchase document item. We don't have that. Profit center will be automatically picked based on cost center. And for now, enter. Is not permitted. Okay. Enter.
क्रेडिट साइड में
Credit side will be copied due to star. We'll copy the star. Okay. Profit center is picked automatically. And we can post this document, post, enter. So document was posted, more
posted
display. Okay, this is your document. So what I want to show is that we'll be creating company codes, we'll be creating GL accounts, and before GL accounts, we'll create chart of accounts, and we'll be giving numbering range documents. We will be creating cost centers, profit centers. Profit center has been picked automatically. Okay, we'll be creating segment. Also, what are segments? We'll discuss that. Okay, and this is how you create a document. Okay, so let's see FBL 1 3N. This is 8842, all items, and 101 to 30201. Execute. So we have, or we can just all items from posting date 2024-03-26. Execute. So we have this balances. Okay, petty expenses, and this is basically entry from the cash account in the account of petty expense. Okay, and over here we have entry in petty expense for the debit. This is credit, this is debit. Okay, so let's start with configuration. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Now this is where we configure everything. Enterprise structure. This is enterprise structure where we create all our organization units. So we will define in financial accounting your company code. Okay. Edit company code data, new entries, T68A. Okay, what will be the name? Three Trees Group Trading Company. Okay. Dubai country will be AE, currency will be AED. Language will be English. Save. AE. Search term is important because we have to search it. T68A, 3 trees. T68A, okay, this will help us to navigate through search list. Search term is important. Okay, now we'll create a new request. A 3 trees, config. Okay, 3 trees, FIMM config, Adil Bhatt in your name, save. So everything will be saved in this node, in this request. This request is used for transporting all of your configuration from one server to another. This is development server. It will go to quality server and then production server when everything works fine. So company code is made. Okay. Okay, and then we have business area, functional area, FM area, segment. Segment. What is a segment? Segment is your, so company code is T68, 68A, 3 trees. Okay. Now we are creating a segment. What is a segment? It is a business vertical. What is a business vertical or niche? It is basically your line of business. You can have multiple line of business. Okay. Since this is trading, okay, so we can pick up our segment. For example, we can say rental. T68 A rental, car rental. T68 A food stuff trading. Okay. Save. Segment is ready. Okay. Segment is done. Business area. This business area is similar to segment, but segment has its own reporting structure. Like reporting means balance sheet, income statement, which is in the perspective of profit centers. Okay. Because profit centers report to segment. Business area is different. Now, business area. What is business area again? It can be product line, can be geographical, it can be department wise, depends on your requirement. New entries, we say our business area is rental. T68 R rental, T68 foodstuff. So why do we need this? Although this is not used, but this was actually used for actually creating. Why do we need business areas? Because, for example, you are entering journal entries, for example, expenses. An expense is for car maintenance. Okay, and there are, let's say, in that journal entry, there are 10 entries, but 2 are related to car maintenance. So in that, what we'll do, FB50, let's see, FB50, we go and check business area. Over here, you can give your business area. So if you look at the T68, we have foodstuff and rental. Okay, so we can give business area and it will relate to that business area. Okay, so this is how it helps. Okay, now SPRO, we are done with business area. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. We are done with company code. Business area and segment. Let's go to the next part. Okay. Next part is logistics. Plant. Plant is necessary. Define plant. Okay. T68A. T3's trading plant. T68A. 8A. 3 trees. Other but save T3 trees. AE, because this is in Arab Emirates. enter and save. You define your plant. Okay, plant is made. Next is location of the plant. Location, new entries, T68A. Location will be Sharjah. 68A, 3 trees. AE. Okay, we're done with this. Now, assignment. Assign plant to company code. T68A, T68A. Same code, it helps. It stays synchronized. Save, save. Okay, assign business area to plant. Okay, plant and division. We don't have a division, but we have a business area. We have a plant. T68A. Business area will be T68R. T68A and T68F. And L3. Okay, only one business area is allowed here. So we have a combination of valuation area. Valuation area is what? Plant. Plant and valuation area are the same. Okay. So if you look at division, what is division? Like its division can be departments, software, hardware, finance, and it can be product line as well. Okay. So we can T68A, business area T68F. Okay, foodstuff, save. This is how you can bypass the previous configuration and add to it. Okay, that is done. Business area is done. Okay. Next part is financial accounting. General ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, because we are going to prepare chart of accounts first. New entries, T68A, T68A, 3 trees. Chart of accounts, maintenance language, English, length of GL will be 5. Save. Group chart of accounts, when you have a group of companies, then you can have a group chart of accounts also. Okay. Assign. T68A, T68A, save, and we have assigned chart of accounts to company code. So now we can actually make GL accounts. Define account group. In the same chart of accounts, we'll make account group. Now, what are account group? Account group is collection of GL accounts. 8842, these are segments of accounts. So we'll copy these ones. 8842, because this is, we've already made a template. Copy as T68A. P. Control Y. Delete. Copy paste. Copy paste. Now we have a complete list of accounts. Okay. We have accounts for HR, material, income, recon accounts, taxation, special GL, assets, and so on. Save. Save. You can make your own, but we are just saving time. Okay, now we'll define retained earnings. T68A. For P&L statement, retained earnings are very important. For group chart of accounts, of course, we'll have different. We can have A, B, and so on, and we can have different chart of accounts, but we are not making those. Okay, enter, save. This is used for balance carried forward, for carrying forward balances at the year end, month end. Changes have been made. Okay. Okay, we're done with this. So we're done for today.